Sharp. So you're renting. Why am I renting? Car. Guys, renting a C63. Guys, can we please go online and check how much to rent a C63 a day? A month is too much. It's 5,000 a day or 5.5 times. Do your calculation. You grown, man. Yes, the last time I checked on you was when you recently bought the 7.5 grade. Now Mercedes at number 8. But people they're still talking. You know, and I feel like it's something that even McMill once mentioned in his songs. I feel like that's how people are, especially us as black people. But me, I'm a long-term person. If he's renting, he's a billionaire. That's a fact, bruh. Like, guys, you have internet. Go search. Golf 8 is not there. You can't rent a Golf 8 even today. Nah, I bet. Go rent it. Where are you gonna rent what time? I don't know, I'm gonna rent Golf 8 at rental. But we can put C63 number 7 and say, check if it's how much, you understand? So, bruh, like, yo, man, like, imagine, it means I'm paying 300k a month with these 3 cars because it's 70k monthly. If I'm renting it, it's 150 or 40, 140, 50. Do the calculation, 3 clipper monthly. Go rent that. I'm not going to buy Polo GTI cash, mas. What did McMill say, bro? Like, bruh, just go, man. I started following you when you're still making 500 on USD JPY, bruh. Yo, now I make a lot. But I lose a lot, though. I lose a lot, I can't lie. If you don't notice it, imagine renting a car. That's expensive. Like, and this mentality comes from black people. Yeah, can we see your RC1? Can we see your number plate? If I give you that, then what are you gonna earn from those things? Do you even know how the RC1 looks like? Because I see people are showing you. Amara gets on. Gets on. Lena level 1 sample popular license this skill on Anangarga RC1. That's the problem. How long did it take you to make your first 100k and how did you keep making more? Yo, it took me 2 years and 3 months. 2 years to 3 years to start making cash. Yeah, it took me 2 to 3 years. Yo, guys, it doesn't take you 2 minutes. It takes you time. But if you have a mentor, right one, it can take you few years, you know. But you gotta keep on moving. Have you stopped doing copy trading? I haven't stopped, guys. It's just private and confidential. They don't know even if you hand them the number plate. Bro, like they don't even know where they're gonna take the number plate to. Just because someone asked for a number plate, they are asking for a number plate. I'm gonna give you, ne? Where are you gonna take it to? You don't even know someone that works in the traffic department, but we're not already. You think like you can take it to. Joe, war number plate to abafa wara rinyaka RC1. War RC1 wara that house is not yours. Yo, bro, you can never live life trying to please everybody. You understand? At the end of the day, as us Forex traders, when we wake up, our life is too easy. We just get into the car and drive. Me, my life is very difficult because I don't even know which car to drive today. I want to go out, but I don't know which one to drive. Let me see, 63, 7, I don't know. But whatever that I get there, I'm always holding my 3 keys. So when I get there, I'll just enter in whatever car that I see first. My mind's going and driving. Even today, I still have 3 cars. So, what is it that has to inspire you, bruh? Like, maybe it was way better if we didn't post these cars. Yeah? Maybe it was gonna be better, man, because now we have to come and prove this is my car, this is not my car, nah, come on. Lena? Truly speaking, guys, not like I'm wasting my, but Isa. plate to go home affairs. They'll take it to home affairs and now they're surprised. Now why are you bringing someone number plate at home affairs? Guys, life is not like that. Life is not like that. So let me tell you something about why Forex traders, they don't actually what is this? They don't show you guys number plates on their pictures, and which is something like now plates are there, which is yes, valid. We are on a higher risk of life just to prove for you. They're not really nonsense sometimes. So this is one thing that you gotta check, man. If you have a right connection, if you take the number plate, you give the person, and then he dials the number plate. That person will know where the car is, first thing first. That you don't know. He will know where the car stays, if you don't know. So, you understand? So, for us to post it to the media, man, I'm the easiest fidelity you can come on. So, you get my number plate, I'm done. Like, I'm done. Like, bruh, it's done. Chai. It's not like I'm giving you guys ideas, but that's how it is. You understand? Life is like that. If you didn't know, it's like that. You know, I remember last Ape managed to get it via those things that I'm telling you, understand? So we take only, man, we don't number plate only. It's chat. So tomorrow, guys, when we die, you guys don't come and post us and say, hey, this and that. Nah, I we were trying to prove on you guys, so proving killed us. Now we are already there. There's no one who is doing better than you in life who has time to ask for such things. It's always the broke ones. They won't ask for RC1 face to face. They'll want to take pictures. Did your voice just get deeper for 5 seconds? I don't know. Did you use... I have the email, but I haven't yet used it. I never bought a house. I don't know what you're talking about. Unless if you don't know what is a house, what is an apartment, and what is a cluster. So you gotta know the difference. Will you ever get a supercar? Yo, bro, I don't know. I don't know. Like, I like that question, but can I just screenshot this question? This question, fun, it will hurt my heart until I get it. But I don't know, man. And I don't even have hope. I want a big mansion, a supercar. Like, that's what I need. But if I sell these 3 cars, I can get a supercar. I'm pretty sure, bro. Let me see. I'm left me on 60 panya. I need a supercar, bro. What do you say to the cops with the plates? When you take the picture, you remove. When you move, you put it back for safety and security. Guys, whether I'm renting my apartment or owning it, it's nothing has to do with you. At the end of the day, month end I pay. It doesn't matter. Maybe I'm financed in this house, month end I'll pay in this apartment, not house. And then if I rented month end, I'll pay the landlord. Like, it doesn't matter. At the end of the day, and if we can check, man, you can go family to family, mother to parent, father. They can never live a Forex trader's life. It's impossible. It's expensive. So let's not talk like people that are renting whatever. They're just throwing out money, man. They're making money for their own living, understand?